In this short lecture, I will be reviewing what is expected to properly conduct research and successfully speak in an open discussion environment through one single topic. A few questions that will be addressed are: what are the requirements for gathering the best research? How should students gather this research? And through what websites or online resources should students look? The format of this assignment will follow a few guidelines, being answering a prompt and participating in two parts of the assignment. The prompt follows as: why is it significant for high school students to attend a four-year college? Students will be expected to answer this question through a research proportion and a discussion. The research proportion will follow outside of the classroom. Students will use a significant amount of technology to find their research for this prompt. This research will include academic articles and other online resources. Students are required to only utilize academic sources for research. Some recommended resources include Google Scholar and the Smithsonian Learning Lab. The discussion part of this assignment will be followed inside the classroom. Students will be required to gather their research and bring it into the classroom to discuss and collaborate with their peers. Students will be placed in groups of 2 to 3 to share their findings and collaborate with other students within their group. There will be a format of questions given to students in advance in class to follow while interacting with other students in the discussion group. Conversations between group members will be an open discussion platform, and all students are required to contribute. The initial goal of this assignment is for students to learn how to navigate and gather information while utilizing technology. Technology is becoming a huge part of the 21st century, and students should learn how to utilize it to benefit the needs of assignments such as this. Students will learn how to independently gather and learn from academic information and resources online. Students will also learn how to use information they gathered online in an open discussion environment. Lastly, students will hopefully gain an understanding of how to conduct their own research and work or discuss collaboratively in a group setting.